Hi everyone, welcome back to English Learning Key. I'm Anna, and today I want to start with a simple question for you. Do you want to improve your English speaking, but you don't have anyone to practice with?
That's a great question, Anna, because honestly, that's my problem. I want to speak better English, but I'm usually at home and I don't have anyone to talk to.
And you're not alone, David. Many learners feel the same way. But here's the good news. You can improve your English speaking at home by yourself, step by step.
Really? Without a partner?
Yes, absolutely. Today, we're going to share practical and easy ways to practice speaking at home, even if you're alone. And the best part, you can start today with just a few minutes.
That sounds perfect. I think this topic will help a lot of people.
I agree. And before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Learning Key.
And share it with your friends who want to speak English confidently.
All right, let's begin. David, I'll ask you something. When you're at home, do you ever speak English out loud?
Not really. I usually just think in my head, but I don't speak.
That's the first thing we need to change. To improve speaking, you must speak out loud.
Even if I'm alone?
Yes, especially if you're alone. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak.
Okay, but what should I talk about?
Start with something very simple. Talk about your day. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast. Then I watched a video.
Oh, like describing my routine.
Exactly. You can talk about your morning, your plans, or even what you are doing right now.
Let me try. Right now, I am sitting at home and practicing English.
Perfect. That's how you start building confidence.
That feels easy. What's the next step?
The next method is mirror practice.
Mirror practice? What is that?
Stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself in English.
That sounds a little funny.
It might feel strange at first, but it really works. You can see your face, your expressions, and your confidence will improve.
What should I say in front of the mirror?
You can introduce yourself. For example, "Hello, my name is David. I am learning English. I want to speak fluently." Or you can practice short dialogues like, "How are you today?" "I'm good, thank you. And you?"
Let me try. Hello, my name is David. I am working on my English speaking skills. I want to improve every day.
That's excellent. Keep going. Try to look at yourself while speaking and notice your expressions and gestures. This will make you more natural when talking to real people.
I think this will help me feel more confident when I talk to real people.
Exactly. Now, another powerful method is thinking in English.
Thinking in English? I usually think in my native language.
That's normal, but try to change that slowly. For example, when you see a cup, think, "This is my cup. It is full of coffee." Or when you're walking, think, "I am walking to the kitchen. I am going to get some water."
Oh, so I describe things in my mind in English.
Yes, this helps your brain get used to English naturally, and it's a very important step before speaking with someone.
I like that idea. It feels like practice all the time.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about another method, speaking with videos.
What do you mean?
Watch English videos or podcasts and repeat after the speaker.
Oh, like copying them?
Yes, it's called shadowing. Listen and repeat immediately. Try to copy their pronunciation, tone, and speed.
That sounds helpful for pronunciation.
It is. You learn how words sound, how sentences flow, and how native speakers speak naturally. You can start with short sentences and slowly move to longer ones.
Let me try an example. I think this is a great idea.
Very good. Try to match the tone and speed. You can also pause the video, repeat, and then continue.
Okay, I'll practice that daily.
Great. Now here's another idea. Record yourself.
Record my voice?
Yes, use your phone, record yourself speaking, and then listen. You might feel a little uncomfortable at first, but it's very effective.
I think that will feel a little uncomfortable.
That's normal, but when you listen, you can find your mistakes and improve. Notice pronunciation, grammar, and sentence structure. You can even keep a small journal of new words or phrases you used.
That makes sense. I can check my pronunciation and grammar.
Exactly. Now, let's try a small activity. I'll give you a topic and you speak for a few seconds.
Okay, I'm ready.
Topic: your favorite food.
My favorite food is pizza because it is very delicious and I love cheese. I also like eating pizza with my friends.
That's great! You gave a reason too and even added extra details. Perfect.
Yes, using because and adding details makes it better.
Perfect. Now, another tip: learn useful phrases, not just words.
What do you mean?
Instead of learning only single words, learn full sentences like, I agree with you, I'm not sure about that, or can you repeat that, please?
Oh, so I can speak faster and more naturally.
Exactly. You'll sound more fluent and your sentences will flow better. You can also practice common conversations like ordering food, asking for directions, or making small talk.
I think this is very helpful.
I agree. Now, one more important thing: practice every day.
Even for a short time?
Yes, even 10 to 15 minutes daily is enough if you are consistent. Remember, consistency is more important than duration.
That sounds easy to follow.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
Sure.
First, speak out loud every day.
Second, practice in front of a mirror.
Third, think in English.
Fourth, repeat after videos.
Fifth, record yourself.
Sixth, learn useful phrases.
And finally, practice daily.
Perfect summary, Anna.
Thank you, David. And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, I understand that now.
Before we finish, we have a small question for you.
Yes, how do you practice English at home?
Write your answer in the comments. Tell us your favorite methods or any tricks you use to practice.
We would love to read your ideas.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Thank you so much for listening. I hope you all start practicing today.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.